Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is drug traceability in healthcare supply chain using blockchain technology. Introduction of the project. This project addresses the critical role of pharmacy drugs in a country's development, emphasizing the need for quality assurance and accurate tracing of drug products as these factors directly impact public health and the safety. Traditional supply chain management relies on centralized servers. When these centralized servers goes down, traceability becomes impossible and they are vulnerable to server hacks leading to the loss of crucial information, and they lack data redundancy and backup options. To address these limitations, we are using blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a decentralized data storage through a distributed ledger, employs robust data encryption, utilizing unique hash codes for real-time verification, and maintains the immutability of recorded data to guarantee data integrity. There are many types of blockchains such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Ripple, etc. Each has its unique features, governance models, and target use cases. We are using Ethereum in this project. Ethereum goes beyond just recording transactions. It allows developers to create small computer programs called smart contracts. These smart contracts, without the need for a centralized server authority, a legal framework manages tasks like storing and getting evidence data. Ethereum's strengths include its ability to create various decentralized applications and its active community of developers. Objective of the project. The primary objective of this project is to enhance drug traceability and management within the healthcare supply chain by leveraging blockchain technology, ultimately fostering transparency, reducing counterfeit drugs, and ensuring patient safety. Aiming to integrate blockchain technology to establish a decentralized secure ledger for storing drug tracing details and user information. A hash code is a fixed length alphanumeric string generated from a data using hash function is utilized in this project. Requirements of the project are hardware and software. Coming to hardware requirements, we need processor of 5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, ROM of 25 GB and above. In software requirements, we need Node.js, Python of 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. To implement this project, we have designed various modules in the methodology. The first one is login as admin. The administrator logs into the system using their credentials. After successful login, the admin gains access to privileged functionalities. Add new drug. Here, the admin can add new drug products to the system. Details such as drug name, production information, and possibly an image are entered. Upon submission, the drug details are securely stored on the blockchain. Upload tracing details. The admin can also update tracing details for existing drugs. This involves selecting a tracing type and entering the current tracing information. Upon submission, the updated tracing data is securely recorded on the blockchain for all users to access. Registered user. New user can register on the system. They provide their user information and register for access. Login as user. Registered users can log into the system using their credentials. View drug and tracing details. After logging in, user can access the system functionalities, and they can view drug product details including the current tracing information. This provides users with transparency about the status and history of drug products in the supply chain. Blockchain integration. Blockchain is integrated to store comprehensive drug tracing details. This ledger ensures that information related to drug production, transportation, processing is transparent, tamper-proof, and accessible to authorized parties throughout the supply chain. User data including authentication and access control is securely stored on the blockchain. This allows for the creation of a trusted environment where the users can sign in and sign up, log in, and access the system while maintaining the integrity and security of their information. Smart contracts are core feature of the blockchain technology, and they are employed to execute predefined functions such as storing and retrieving data, managing access control, and ensuring transparency and automation within the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. This is the code folder of the project. This is the drug trace folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into project code during runtime. This is the Drug Trace app folder. It comprises of a static folder, templates folder and code files, which are Python code files. Coming to static folder, it contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap files. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Coming to templates folder, within this folder we will find all HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. Coming to Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is the drug file. This file consists of a Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. Now we need to open the Hello folder. This is the node module folder. This folder contains dependencies or modules needed for our project. Now we have to open it. This is the bin folder. It contains executable scripts related to project dependencies. We have to open it. This is the run blockchain.bat file, which is a Windows batch script to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purpose. Now we have to double click on it to start the blockchain. Blockchain will be hosted on the local machine at the address, which is the localhost and the port. This is the port. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. So here we need to execute the command, which is truffle space migrate. Now we need to click on enter. This will compile and deploy smart contract. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. After running the migration, we will receive a unique Ethereum contract address. This is the contract address. This address represents the location of our deployed smart contract on the blockchain. And here we have gas used. To execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts, this is the amount of gas used. Now we have to minimize it and get back to the main directory. Now we need to double click on run.bat file. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project in command line interface, we have created Windows batch file to execute the project. Now we have to double click on it to execute the project. Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, which is localhost and the port. Now we have to copy this local link provided by the framework and paste it in any browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. So here we'll paste the link. At the end we need to type index.html and click on enter. This is the web page of the project, which is displayed in the browser, and this web page is built by using the Django framework. In the home page we have two links, which are login link and register here link. First we need to click on login link to log in as admin. So here we need to give the credentials of the admin, which are the username and the password. Now we need to click on login. So the admin has logged in successfully. Here we have various links, which are add new drug, update tracing details and logout. For adding any new drug, we need to click on add new drug link. Here we need to give the drug details, which are the drug name, quantity of the drug, price of the drug and drug description. Here we need to click on choose file to upload the image of the drug. So I'm selecting this image and now I need to click on open. And now I need to click on add drug. Here we can see that product details are saved in blockchain, and now we need to click on update tracing details. Here we can see drug details, which are drug name, price, quantity, description, image, last update date, current tracing info and update new tracing info. To update tracing details from the current state, we need to click on click here link, which is displayed in the column of update new tracing info. Here I am clicking on click here link for the Dolo 650 drug. Here we need to select the tracing type and enter the tracing details. And now I am selecting tracing type as logistics and giving the tracing details. Now I need to click on update tracing. So the tracing details are saved to blockchain and the tracing details are updated. Now we need to log out. And now we need to click on register here link for sign up process. We need to give user sign up details, which are the username, password of the user, contact number, email ID and the address. Now we need to click on register. We can see that sign up process is completed and records are saved in blockchain. Now we need to click on login and log in as user. Here we need to provide credentials of the user, password of the user, and now I need to click on login. We can see that user has logged in successfully. Now we need to click on view drug and tracing details. So here user can view all product details, which are the drug name, price, quantity, description, image, last update date and current tracing info. In the last column, user can see current tracing date for each drug. So here we have production state. Now we will log out. So by using this application, any user can know current tracing date and manufacturer details of any drug, and manufacturer can update his details. Conclusion of the project. Through the implementation of blockchain technology, the project significantly enhances traceability within the healthcare supply chain, ensuring transparent and tamper-proof records of drug product details. By replacing centralized systems within blockchain, the project mitigates security risks associated with several hacks, safeguarding the integrity of data stored on the blockchain. The inclusion of user and admin modules creates a user-friendly interface catering to the needs of various stakeholders and simplifying interactions within the system. Ultimately, the project contributes to the patient safety by ensuring the authenticity and quality of pharmaceutical products throughout the supply chain, promoting trust in the healthcare ecosystem.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.